Hi guys, Ron Hornsby here, standing in my brand new listing in Upper Manhattan. It's a bright, open layout, one bedroom, asking $445,000. Today is the first open house, and I want to share with you some of the stuff I did to make sure this apartment gets top dollar. So the sellers already had to move out of the apartment, but I didn't want to show it completely vacant. So I ran to Home Goods, loaded the back of my truck with a few pieces of furniture, and created a little vignette here in the living room. Now, it's not completely staged, but it gives buyers a sense of the space and lets them envision themselves in the home. And staged homes sell 5% higher than unstaged homes. Now again, in the bedroom, I didn't want to show it completely vacant. So I went ahead and got a queen-size bed. Every buyer wants to know what size bed can I fit in this bedroom, and also what furniture can I fit around it. So here's a little secret. I just used my air mattress. I didn't have to go buy a frame and a box spring and a mattress. I just bought some nice bedding that makes it look really nice and just blew up my air mattress here. It's light and I can get rid of it as soon as the buyer comes along. And here's a pro tip. Don't put the fitted mattress on the top underneath the sheet. Put it on the bottom, that way it covers up the bottom of the air mattress when your bedding doesn't go all the way to the floor. The kitchen was pretty simple. I just cleaned it really well and then added drawer knobs to all the cabinet doors. This is just a little detail that I thought the kitchen was lacking. A little tip, put a pot of boiling water on with herbs in it. It gives the aroma throughout the entire apartment and makes it feel a little more lived in.